Hey guys, hey guys, how's it going? It's Astrocat, blah 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 intro. So today we have Spooder Monkey, and Crystal. Yeah, I shouldn't do this anymore, but I have to. Also, download in the description if you want this command. That's right, download in description. So you can get it in the description. And sorry if there's background noises. So sorry. So there's MBT files for the structures because I can't make one commands. But the structures, the structure for that behind me. Yeah. Okay. So Omnitrix. But the structure for this is in the my website, the Google one, and you can just download both MBT files, the Omnitrix and the Omnitrix, and I can't see it yet, and the Omnitrix. You could download the Omnitrix and this, and all of these options don't work, but if you install the commands in your world, then they will work. So if you don't know how to do this, then watch a video on it. I'm not gonna tell you, I don't want to. Okay, yeah, still don't know when it starts. Just have to guess. Okay, my head went backwards. Alright, so yep, I already got the options. Hold on. Okay. So when you do this, I recommend putting it in your main hand and then not selecting it, because you might place it down when you're doing stuff. Spider Monkey. My favorite in Alien Force. So what Spider Monkey can do is he can climb, which is really cool, because that took forever for me to make. Just kidding, it took like 30 minutes. Because this command isn't that good, so I expect it to be that little of time. But it is very weird, because you can just do this. Yeah, but also, I am so confused. Yeah, easy vid, I can't see. And I'm not, okay, let me just, that was embarrassing, so I couldn't type because EasyVid is being a jerk. No, I'm just kidding, not really. But /TP 100, and then boom, you're in outer space, and you only take, hold on, 18 hearts of damage. Only 18 from 100 blocks. Because these boots have feather falling 100. Also, you get a jump boost and a speed boost, and it's really good. Alright, and I need to eat, so... Okay, hold on. I was confused because the thing wasn't on. So, my favorite part... What? Okay, my favorite part... pigs. Alright, so, have you ever wanted to, catch a pig? No? No? No one's dream? Okay, so, you can just throw these, shoot webs at them. I know they're snowballs, but you can't judge me. Oh, also, if you walk in the webs holding this, then it just gets rid of the webs. That's as useful as I can make it. Okay? And this is like, will get really boring soon. just catching pigs with webs. I think this is going to be the final version of this. So, goodbye. Also, look at that face. I made it myself. I made all the heads, custom heads, you know? Okay, bye.